This is the Verilog file. This is the UCF file. Now I synthesize the Verilog file. Now this is synthesizing. While this is synthesizing, I will explain the inputs and outputs in the board. First, I will explain what are the inputs and outputs of my elevator. There are three inputs to the board from inside the elevator. They are request to go 1, 2 floors 1, 2, 3. Then this is the request to go to floor 1 from the inside. This is the request to go to floor 2 from the inside. This is the request to go to floor 3 from the inside the elevator. Then there is also a button to control the door. If this is pushed, that means the door is remain open. If this is not pushed, that says door is closed. That means this is the door control button. Then there are inputs from outside the elevator in each floor. This first button is the input from the first floor. That means input to go up from the first floor. These two buttons are inputs from the second floor. That means input request to go up and request to go down from the second floor. This button is request to go down from the third floor. Now these first three LEDs shows the status of the elevator. If a bulb is off, that means elevator is in that floor. If the bulb is on, that means elevator is not in that floor. First LED is for first floor, second is for second floor, and third is for third floor. Always two LEDs will be on as elevator is in one floor. Now this fourth button is for door. If door is open, this button is on. If door is closed, this is off. Now this is being synthesizing. Now this is being programmed. Now we can see that elevator is on the first floor. The first floor LED is off and the other two LEDs are on, and the door is also closed. Assume I am in the third floor and I want to go to the first floor. So I request to go down from the third floor. Now we can see that the elevator has come to the third floor. It is as it is off. Now I get inside and make the door open. Until this is not as this is the push button is not released, I am requesting to remain. I am requesting to the door to remain open. So we can see that this LED is on. As it remains on, if I push these buttons, this will not work as the door keeps open. And also, if anybody outside the elevator from another floor requests the elevator to go to that floor, it will not work as the door is open. So I release this button, so the door is closed. Now I can go to a floor I want. Now the elevator, as I am in the third floor, I request to go to the first floor. Now the elevator has come to the first floor. Now I come from the first floor and request to go to the second floor. Now it has come to the second floor. Now another person from the second floor goes inside the elevator and request again to the second floor, nothing will work as it is in the second floor. Now somebody from the first floor request from the outside to go up. Now the elevator has come to the first floor. From the first floor we can push third floor. Now it has come to the third floor.